Hi, this is Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Cosinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about pivot table. A pivot table, or one of Excel's most powerful features, a pivot table is a table of group values that aggregates the individual item of more extensive table within one or more discrete categories. This summary might include sums, average, and other statistics. A pivot table groups together using a chosen aggregation functions applied to the group values. A pivot table or a techniques in data processing, they arrange and rearrange statistics in order to draw attention to useful information. Let's see how to create the pivot table. Here I am having the data of sales. The fields are data of date of sale, salesperson, item show, sold, colors of item, units sold, price per unit, and total price. Here I am having only 6 rows of data for easy understanding. So let's see how to create the pivot table. So go to the insert menu and click pivot table. Here you have to select the table and range. So click on this arrow mark and you can select the table for analyze. And then here you can select the new worksheet or existing worksheet. I'm going to select the new worksheet. Then click OK. This is where pivot table layout, and the right side you have fields of the tables. So column values of the table. Okay, date of sale, salesperson, item sold, color of item, units sold, like that. And below that you have drag field between areas. We have 4 fields, that is filter, column, rows, and value field. For analyze, you can just drag and drop the fields into this column field. I'm going to drag the date of sale into the filter field, and units sold into the values field. In sales person, and then items sold into the column field. The pivot table displays the data according to our selections with grand total. Okay, that's it. If you want to analyze in another way, you can select any other field to the columns. I'm going to analyze according to the color of the items. So you can also remove the items. So it displays the analyze according to the color. Like that, you can analyze the data. So now I'm going to raise the unit per price. So it shows both the unit per price values and grand total for each items. You can also filter the values from A to Z, arranging in ascending or descending order. So like that you can arrange. So the colors are displayed at the top. Here I am raising values. Okay. Then another analyze. So items sold. So how many items sold by the each salesperson. Okay. Like that you can analyze the data. It is an easy way to analyze the data. You just drag the column into the desired field and it can analyze your data. So If our tables contain many data items, it is difficult to summarize information. So a pivot table can help quickly summarize the data and highlight the desired information for you. So pivot table can used for analyzing thousands of records. I hope you understand the concept.